concentration. Gotta get a good feel on the ball. There we go. Good job. The concentration work. Here we go again. Mark's thinking about this. Now how to make another strike. Deep concentration. Getting set. Almost done here. We'll do the fingertips first. There we go. Oh, got one. Gotta get the ball just right. Get it all set, just centered. Athlete's fingers are in the way. The fingers did it. Here goes Mark. Bowling's done. Time to hit the road. It's been a hard day at the bowling alley, I tell you. The athlete and coach walking into the sunset.
Tara's first time riding a bike.
Softly, Joe. Softly. Not a quick one.
Can't believe it. This is the first day, huh?
Second.
Tara. You're doing good, Tara.
Try to do it yourself. Stop. You're softly now. Softly, not a quick one.
The word ceremony that Colony Elementary.
I'd first like to thank all the parents who are here today, because I know that for many of you it's very difficult for you to come in the middle of the school day. And I also like to thank Dawn for leading us in song every assembly. Dawn, thank you. Can we give Dawn a big round of applause? The Citizen of the Quarter Award that Mr. Levi do have for us. I'd like to, an event in Honolulu called PRAISE. PRAISE stands for Program for Recognizing Academic Interest and and student excellence grades. And many of you had your writing and other activities displayed down in the exhibition hall on. Aloha kapo to you, my greetings of love to you, kapo. Kapo is beautiful and I love you. Yeah, when you say aloha, you express your care. And our city council, our government of our city, the island of Oahu, wants to say thank you to you very much for being good citizens. It's important to us that you're good people, that you like your classmates, and you respect them, and you care for your school, and your hopefully money, school, third order citizenship award for being such a wonderful citizen and will speak. And I'm going to ask Miss Theriol to come forward and do this special presentation. And here she comes, and she's going to announce it.
Mark has earned this award in total communication. We want to give him this award particularly for development and growth in the area of tape recorder and computer.
Well, it's been wonderful being here with you again. Please ask me back. Remember, when I say aloha, I mean I love you. Aloha.
Yes, it's pretty. This is Mark Slay from Levi Do.
Oh, well.
Not sure what to think about it. Grandma to you too.
Oh, pretty.
Oh, nice lay, Mark. You look so handsome.
Oh, I just had a okay, thanks a lot.
Hey, here we are at the Olympics.
Oh,
We're getting ready, getting the athletes'
Getting Mark
shoes
ready?
on.
Mark ready to boogie?
That's right.
here's an idea. Oh, this is a message that wants to get involved with the fundraising. Yeah.
Look at that. Jeanette, well, what do you think?
Wonderful. It's a beautiful day.
Is the athlete ready?
I'll carry Mark. Money.
Okay.
On our way.
Is that for Mary?
Accompanying our brownies is our troop leader, Virginia Jones, and also Director of Outreach for Hawaii Special Olympics. Following our brownie troop is our team from Aina Elementary. Following Aina Elementary, Ali'iolani, and Roosevelt High School. Okay, at this time, what we'd like to do is sing our national anthem. What we'd like to do is we will now let the games officially open. Let the games begin. Good luck to each and every one of you. And may all of you win a ribbon today. And like we said, good luck and have fun. Coaches, you can take your up.
Hey, Mark.
Here's the yellow.
There goes Marky down to the field. Okay, guys. Everybody ready?
Oh, do you know that person, Michelle?
Is he ready? What's his first event?
The first event is the 10-meter walk.
Okay. Let him put his hands in or he won't even attempt it, huh?
Yeah, I will. Because he'll just be distracted.
And I'll just get...
Mark, you ready? Hey,
Hey, Mark. Mark.
So no one here did it, of course, but
hey, tell us what. You ready to compete?
Oh, nice, Mark.
Are you ready to compete? You gonna win? Huh? You gonna jog? You gonna rip down the field? Huh? You gonna kill him? You gonna knock him dead today? Yeah, you're looking bad. You're looking bad. Okay.
Okay, Ray, you want to come stand over here?
Hello, Ray.
Line them up in there. Mark, you're going to be in lane number 2. Ray, you're in lane number 3. And Calvin, lane number 4.
Here he goes, 10-meter walk.
Let's get a little applause and cheering for the young men and women. Really ready to go.
What remains is the torso.
Look at it, they're ready. This is it. The challenge of a lifetime.
They're using wheelchairs. Okay? The front portion of any wheel that cuts the plane of the communication stuff. So sometimes they prefer to roll the wheelchair backwards. Okay? When they start, all the wheels have to be behind the start line. As soon as it cuts that plane, they can start the walk. Okay, walkers, walk
Right here.
right here.
There he is. He's ready. 10-meter walk.
Doesn't walk, pull it up.
Lower stand by judge so you can see. More by judge so you can see.
1, 2, 3, and then one boy.
What's going on? Look at him.
What's the jacket for?
We're just gonna go for the
Get
whole
wrapped up.
Oh, second
Fast sword, John.
Okay, winners in the 10mm first group.
Just a minute. Mark for his award presentation now.
Ready to water.
Here comes Mark. Gotta cheer for him.
Assistant watch. Third place, Ready to water. Second place, Mark Moody.
Yay!
Congratulations. Way to go.
Why the boys stay for there a long time?
See the ribbon. Second place, right on.
Hi.
Second place. Okay, softball throw winners. Fourth place, Jeremy Masuda. Third place, Michael Higashi. Second place, Mark Kuman. First place, John Lunn. You're almost there. You're almost there. Keep going. HTB 108 is also blocking some cars here. Hey Mark, ready?
Whoa, right here.
Third place, Steve Takaki. Jason Sala. Way to go, you guys. Whoa! All right, Mark.
Shall we just press? We'll make them passes and then make it get okay, roll, Mark. Roll. Right here, Mark. Come on, Mark, over here.
Look out, John. Get back.
Come on, Mark. Way over here, Mark. Way over here.
Fourth place, Thomas Fryer. Third place,
Way over there.
Chris Kubana. Second place, Peter Dengon. And first place, Charles Witt.
Justin, no, there's too many babies around.
Place, Kenneth Victorino. Second place, Joseph Ortega. And first place, Michael Stefano.
Who does Hunter work
The awards tent.
I don't know where he's based.
Okay. First place, Nathan Moore. Third place, Lauren Lee. Second place, Chris Cabana. Okay, all winners in the baseball throw. Chico Suye. First place, Cindy Townsley. Third place,
Mark Moody.